Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you see message notifications on your messenger and also you read every message, so you just check all the chats and you read all the messages, but also you see like I see on Facebook app, you just see on the messenger app this message notifications like you receive some message but you uh, check all the chats and you haven't find some message. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just try to go to App Store, just open App Store and just tap on search tab, just write in search messenger and now if you see here update, just tap on update, so just check updates for messenger app and after you update just restore your phone and sometimes it also helps. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the settings and in the settings you need to find here general. In the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you too, you just need to check your internet connection. So just try to, if you're using mobile data, just turn it off and turn on again and do it with Wi-Fi. So just open Wi-Fi, just turn it off and turn on again and just try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if you still have this issue, so just try to make force restart on your phone. So it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you an example of iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. So iPhone with Face ID. So on this models you just need to press on high volume buttons and on low volume button and just keep and hold power button until you will see here black screen. So after you will see black screen, just release your finger from power button and you need to see Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, it means that you successfully made forced restart. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, write comments and goodbye.